found him.
For Element, Check, Guilford, Orange, Rainbow.
Before me,
Yeah! Yeah!
Justin, freaking thank you!
Welcome!
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Alamance County, Orange County, Randolph
I've never
County,
heard you pull out of a
Guilford
vehicle,
County,
so it doesn't matter
Chatham
what.
County until 2 p.m. At 12:45 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Burlington to 11 miles southwest of Asheboro, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles. Radar indicated.
Yep.
What are you doing?
Made sure the volume was up all the way.
Locations impacted include Greensboro, Chapel Hill, Burlington, Asheboro, Graham, Hillsboro, Randleman, Pittsboro, Siler City, and North Carolina Zoo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers.
No, lightning is easy.
Thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Chatham, Guilford, Orange, and Randolph.
Nicholas, you fuckstick, what the hell was that?
Melissa, I just want to say thank you because that comment probably just made my channel, made this video get demonetized.
Good!
That's the only way I make money, Michael.
Before I made that comment, fuck. Don't blame me because you went to act like a little ghetto slut most of the time.
Let's see.
Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 60s. Saturday,
What did I tell you?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy fuck!
National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 560, effective until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties: Richmond, North Carolina.
Richmond!
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 560 has been issued from 1:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Richmond, North Carolina. Now for the...
You're fucking brilliant! You are fucking brilliant!
84, partly cloudy tomorrow night with a 30% chance of rain and a low around 67. Friday will be partly sunny with a 50% chance of rain and a high near 80.
It's statewide.
Support for WETS comes from Heritage Hall Theater, presenting country music singer-songwriter Jessie Lynn, Alabama City Cowgirl. Saturday, August 10th at Heritage Hall Theater in Mountain City, Tennessee. HeritageHallTheater.org.
Support for NPR comes from this station
Blaze it.
and from the Alzheimer's Association, working toward a version of the world without Alzheimer's, providing care and support to all those facing the disease with a commitment to advancing critical research. More at alz.org. From Indeed, visit skills tests built for employers who want to see a deeper sense of the person behind the resume. Learn more at Indeed.com. EAS.com/hire. And from the Robert Wood Johnson Foundation at rwjf.org. It's All Things Considered from NPR News. I'm Audie Cornish.
And I'm Ari Shapiro. 5.
No way.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. The Tennessee Bureau of Investigation has issued a statewide Tennessee Blue Alert for Curtis Ray Watson. Watson is listed as a person of interest in the homicide of a Tennessee Department of Correction employee on August 7th, 2019, and is an escapee from the West Tennessee State Penitentiary in Henning, Tennessee. Watson should be considered extremely dangerous. If you have any information concerning Watson, please contact the 51800-TRACE-PIFIND.
No freaking way. There is no way we just caught that.
There is a way that we just got that. Morrisville, you gotta do this. Come on, something's got to give here soon. Get the feeling something's got to give soon.
Locations impacted include Asheboro, Lexington, Randleman, North Carolina Zoo, Seagrove, Linwood, Denton, Gordonton, Randleman Regional Reservoir Marina, and Huron. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Davidson, North Carolina. For the following counties in North Carolina:
Davidson and Randolph! I knew something would happen with that. I knew it. I knew it. You can't deny that now.
Yes, I can.
We just got an alert for Davidson, and you're gonna deny it! You.
I'm only joking. You really think I would deny the existence of that?
Yes, because you're that much fucking kidding me!
We got another one for Davidson and Randolph. That has to go off.
That is bullshit.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeast North Carolina until 9:30 Eastern Daylight Time. 8:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles east of High Rock Lake. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Davidson County, western Randolph County until 9:30 p.m. At 8:29 p.m. a severe thunderstorm was located
you trying to do?
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to homes, sighting, injuries.
Oh no.
Locations affected include Asheboro, Lexington, Randleman, North Carolina Zoo, Seagrove, Benton, Brooklyn, Hewlett, High Rock, Marina, and Range Municipal Marina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Straight line winds can blow down trees.
Power lines and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damage and winds can be
Fucking deadly!
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning. Storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina.
Davidson and Randall! Davidson, bitch!
We got double Davidson.
Double Davidson, eh? Oh, I haven't heard that in a fat minute.
As opposed to a slim thick minute? I mean what?
Unlike your slick thin minutes. Wait, what?
Slick thin? Slick thin.
Yeah, slick and thin.
I said slim thick.
Slick and thin and slim and thick, I don't give a shit. Either way, you're not slick. And you're not as slick as drag radials either.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. You're about as slick as off-road tires, and that's not very slick.
And you know what else?
What?
You're as slick as my. Never mind.
You're as slick as your what?
As your motherfucking pussy.
What? What?